Okay, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Uh, we're back again, guys. With the workshop number 3, where we try to analyze the market so that they can see how we approach the market. Okay. Um, Again, guys, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, um, I may ask for you guys to hit that sub button and the like button also, and then please share this group share this video to your friends, and again hit the notification bell, guys, so that you can be notified next time when I post the video. Okay, so we are planning on posting one video per month. Okay, we're just planning on doing such a thing. So currently now we are on May in South Africa, 2022. And then let me just quickly show you how we look at this market, guys. Okay. Um on my watch list, if you can see these kind of companies, okay, this kind of stocks, they are the one who most affect Nasdaq, okay, and Tesla too. In this one, okay, they are the one who affect Nasdaq, okay. So Nasdaq always, most of the time, I can say most of the time, Nasdaq has to follow these stocks. Okay, so for me to go to Nasdaq, I normally come here and check on how these stocks are moving. I'll start with Microsoft first. I'll just make the shortcuts. I won't take long here because I think we talk about this. Okay, guys, if you can see here, okay, let me just go to the daily so that some of you guys can understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, that's Microsoft going to the upside like that. Okay, and then we'll find there was a price action there, and the market was consolidating like that, going to the upside. I can say the correction, or I can say ascending channel form. Okay, so what's happened on top there? What's happened on top there? We see something like a formation of head and shoulders. Okay, let me just plot it for you. Thanks to this trading views, it makes our life simple, guys, when it comes to this trading. Okay, let me just plot this head and shoulders for you so that you can see it clearly, guys. I want to just show you how I'm trying to get a right tool for that. Okay, as you can see, that is our left shoulder, and again that is our head, if you can agree with me, and this is uh your your right shoulder, okay, to push the market to the downside. Okay, so it's clear, everyone is seeing it clear. Let me just remove it. Okay, let me just remove it. Okay, guys, again, that's what I see on a bigger time frame. And Microsoft is going to drop. Okay, and again, it forms what here? It forms something like a double top there. Let me just show it to you. Double top there. Okay, or I can take it. I can take a right tool for it. It's fine, not a problem. This is my daily stuff, guys. Okay, so I'm looking forward to see a downfall on this Microsoft. Okay, so they're the same. Even Tesla, I can just check on what's happening on Tesla. Let me just go to weekly. That's how I do first, guys, before I go to any any before I go to Nasdaq. Okay, so now as you can see that this thing was going to the upside like that. Okay, and then here it's top of our structure, and then here again bottom of our structure. Okay, so let me just remove this so that I can get straight to business. Okay, what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing something like that. I'll try to make things fast. Okay, I won't take long here. And again, I'm seeing something like that. Okay, so when I go to the daily, what I'm seeing on the daily, guys, is very simple stuff. Okay, I'm seeing a double top there, and then I'm waiting for the disc to break to the downside and correct it there, shoot to the downside. Okay, so that's Tesla. Okay, I'll switch now, go to this pairs. Okay, I'll just check any pound dollar. For the pound dollar, let me just see if I can spot something there. Talk about pound dollar there. I think I took a trade on this one. I forgot. It's not maybe last week, if I'm not mistaken. There. I'm trying to delete everything, guys. Sorry for that. Okay. Okay. On a weekly, what I've noticed there on a weekly, guys, I'm just seeing something like this. Double top there. Let me just use the right tool as usual. Okay, let me just take the right tool as usual. We're doing top down analysis there, guys. Double top there. Okay, first thing, that's my rule. Okay, double top. I'm not saying it's not a signal, it's nothing like that. I'm just showing you how I approach it. If you're really interested, if you are interested in how I approach the market, you'll go to my Telegram and text me, then ask me. Even if you can ask me on the comment section, guys, I can have time to you to answer all of your questions. I'm to say sorry about that. So, uh, so we want to check how the market approach at the top there, but unfortunately, it's a previous chart. Okay, we're just showing you on how the market approaches. Okay, we're just showing you how the market approaches this side. Okay, and again, it made another double top there to push the market downside. So currently what I'm seeing now, I'll just go straight to the daily. 4 hour. I mean to say 1 hour. What I'm seeing on the 1 hour, guys, is very, very, very simple. I'm seeing something like a structure there. Okay, to push what? To push this guy to the downside. Okay, for me, this guy is going to the downside still, and this was my head and shoulders there. I can plot it for you if you don't mind. Okay, I can plot it for you if you don't mind, so that you can see. I'm doing this live, guys. I don't want anyone to think maybe I'm hiding anything. I'm not doing something like that. I'm being honest with everyone. Okay, this is what I'm seeing. Okay, that was my head and shoulders there. Okay, so I will delete it also. So this head and shoulders, I think, is more clear on 30 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. If you can see that clear, I think it's more clear there. Okay, even though my drawing is very bad. So as I see the spot, the head and shoulders, for me, I think this is the thing that I'm I'm more interested on. Okay, I'm more interested on this one. I'm truly interested on this one, guys. Okay, so I'll go straight to 15 minutes. That's where I take my trades always. Okay, so I will rather wait now. Okay, I will rather wait for this thing to hit here and shoot the downside. Okay, let me take a right tool for that. Okay, I would rather wait for the market to come there and test there and go down. Okay, or else the market comes here and made a double top there and shoot the downside. Or again, the market can go up there and make this double top there and shoot the downside. Or again, it can come top here and shoot to make this double top there again, and what's happened, and shoot the downside. But for now, I'll look at a sell there. Okay, that is my forecasting on this um on this pound dollar. Okay, um let me show you what I was saying, because I know that some of you guys don't listen. It's either this happen, sorry for that. It's either one of these happen, guys. You can take a screenshot and come and watch again if I was wrong. Okay, I'm not saying I'm good on this one, but I'm expecting this to happen on the market. Okay, I'm expecting this to happen on the market. I want to make things, your life simple. Okay, that's what I'm expecting on this pound, this pound yen. Still, I'm expecting something like that. This is what I'm expecting. Okay, so for me, it's a sell. If I want to sell now, it's either I put the stop loss on top there, but I can't sell now on top there. It's either I wait for the market to approach this first rule. If it doesn't respect any, I will wait for this one. If not, I will wait for this one. If not, I will wait for this one. If not all of these, I'll stay away on pound dollar, guys. So that's my forecasting. Okay, I'll go back to the weekly. That's where I analyze the market, each and every market. I'm starting from there. I'm doing this because I saw this potential double top. Okay, and then again, I'm expecting the market to push the downside. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll just switch to gold. Let me see what's happening on gold, guys. Gold is doing something good also. Okay, if you can check, that was our previous double top there. Okay, so now remember we're on a weekly. Now I want to trade what's currently happening. I also see the potential double top there. Okay, I'm also seeing the potential double top there. I'll just show you now. Okay, we're taking something, we see something like this, potential double top on a bigger time frame. Okay, it's very nice because the market was coming from the downside impulsively and do what, made a double top and M pattern formation. We're expecting this to happen. Okay, so because we already expect this to happen, we want to make sure that anything that strengthens this sell, we go for it. Okay, anything. So on a bigger time frame, we see a potential double top there. Again, we zoom to the daily. On a daily, what I'm expecting here, I told you, anything that strengthen our buy, our sell, we go for it. Remember, these things happen. Let me just show you. These things happen. Okay, now we're expecting to break the downside. Okay, so gold will be selling big time. Okay, will be selling big time to the top there. Okay, again, the lower part. Nice, that's very nice, guys. If you can see that, that's very nice. So we'll go straight to the let me just jump to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we see something like this. breaks the downside. Correct, sorry. This kind of a thing happened, breaks the downside, made a double bottom top there, shoot the downside. Now it's up, down. We had a correction there. Let's see what's happened there. Okay, I'll go straight to what? To 15 minutes. That's where I take my entries most of the time. Taking entries there, no stories. Okay, so what I'm seeing there, this happened just to push the market to the upside. Now again, doing similar like that, push the up, made a mini double top there. So a mini double top, let me show you. A mini double top, a mini double top there. So we can take a sell currently, as you can see that we had another double top there. So we can take a sell, and now like this, this is a sell, guys. I'm not giving you a signal, but for me, I'm taking a sell on gold now. Okay, I'm taking a sell on gold. I'm taking a sell on gold, guys. I'm just taking a sell. I'm taking a sell on gold. Okay. Stop loss around there, or on top of this wick there. Okay, because we are on a 15 minutes time frame here, but I can increase a bit so that I give my trade a breathing room. Okay, so let me go to 1 hour. I want to show you how I expect this to happen. This will be my first target. Okay, this will be my first target. That will be my first target because I also respect this trend line. Okay, so if it goes furthermore, I'll wait for the correction and scale in again. Okay, if this happen again, what the scale I'm talking about is something like, let me show you guys. I want to show you. I have your time today. If something like this happen, if something like this happen, or if you don't get what I'm trying to do here, let me just take a pen so that it will be simple for me to do whatever I'm doing. Okay, I'll take a brush there. If it's the downside, then I'll wait for this to happen there, and then I will be like my trend line there. My stop loss will be there, and I scale in again. Scale in, I enter again when I see the break to the downside. Okay, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so but for now, I'm taking a sell on gold. I believe it will sell. Okay, so again, US oil. I like this one also. To the daily, I'll go to the daily first and check exactly what's happening. To the weekly and check what's happening. If you can see that this one was our previous high, the market was resisting to pass this. Okay, so for me, this is a sort of a double top there. Okay, because the market touches here and once again it comes to that point again. So for me, this point is very important. Okay, so I want to quickly check on how the market reacted there. Okay, so that I can understand that is this a double top or the market will shoot and make this double top again. Okay, so we want to check what's happened there. Okay, we'll go to the daily. Okay, on the daily, if you can check, the market just shoot up and shoot down and correct. For me, this just told me that it tells me that the upper momentum has been accessed. They are no longer having power. They buy. They are they are no longer having power. So because I saw something like this on the bigger time frame, I just shoot to the 1 hour just to check if I can spot something. Okay, so what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing this kind of a thing. Okay, this is what I'm trying to share to you, that I'm seeing this kind of a thing there. Simple stuff. Okay, simple stuff there, to lower part there. So what I'm expecting now, I'm expecting something like this to happen. Is either it comes here, form a double top and shoots the downside, or either or either correct, sorry for that, or either correct until it reach this top and shoot to the downside. So for me, I'll wait to see if I can sell there. Okay, I'll wait to see if I can sell there. And again, now if you can check there, already now it's on the top, so I can quickly go and check there what's happening on the top. I'll just go to switch to 15 minutes and see if I can spot anything there. So for me, yes, I can say I'm seeing something, because this one was my top on the 15 minutes. And if you can check there, the market is trying to make a price action there. So I'll rather wait for it to break down there, so I enter. My stop loss will be there. Try to catch the move to the downside. Okay, to the downside, guys. Okay, so that was oil. Okay, so I don't know Nasdaq. For Nasdaq, guys, remember I told about you. I have to check also Apple, Amazon, and stuff like that. So I'll go to the weekly. I'll go to the weekly just to analyze and see the bigger picture of the Nasdaq. Okay, I know a lot of people love Nasdaq because they say Nasdaq is very paying. For me, I prefer US 30. US 30 is my favorite, by the way. Okay, US 30 is my favorite, by the way. I will also do that for you. Okay, so for me, again, let me go to. Okay, before I continue, I don't want to left you behind. I see this kind of a ascending channel. Ascending channel for me is a sell signal, guys. That's a sell signal to push to the downside. Okay, so I'll go where? I'll go to the daily. I'll go to the daily time frame, and again on a daily time frame, what I'm seeing on a daily, this Nasdaq, guys, is going to the downside. Okay, on a daily time frame, I'm seeing something like if you can check there, this thing was going like this. This thing was going like that. This thing was going like that. Okay, to form what? To form the head and shoulders. They're there on top of what? On top of the ascending channel. So for me, it's telling me that, hey, take note, we are going to drop not so long. Okay, so because I spot that head and shoulders there, I have to spot, okay, this one is going to the downside. So again, after the break to the downside, okay, what's happened? The market shoot up and go down, shoot up, made a double top there, shoot to the downside. So for me, ascending channel first, again, another confluence, ascending channel. Okay, let me just do it for you. Just do it for you. Ascending channel, first sell signal, head and shoulders there. Sorry, head and shoulders there. Again, another. Let me just change the color so that they can see accordingly. Okay, ascending channel there. Okay, ascending channel here. What? Sorry. Let me just quickly get something that it will you guys will understand. Ascending channel there, okay. Again, I said ascending channel there. Again, what's happened? Started to form what? Head and shoulders there to push the market to the downside. Okay, and again, what's happened? We see a double bottom, a double top there. So for me, that's enough to take a sell. But you can't just take a sell without knowing without seeing the confirmation on the smaller time frame. Small time frame. We can go to 1 hour just to check on what's going on currently on the market. Remember, our mind have to know that we are selling Nasdaq, okay? Or Nasdaq is selling, I can say something like that, okay? Here, let me show you something. The market was doing something, push the downside, okay? Try this one, push, again, push. So for me, it's selling, okay? So now we are here. I think it will push to the downside, okay? So let me just go to the 15 minutes time frame now. On the 15 minutes time frame, what I'm seeing there, this is what I'm seeing. So the market will push to the outside just to convince a lot of traders, but again, it will go to the downside. Maybe it can go up and hit the double top there and show to the downside. So take notes, Nasdaq is selling, but I can't just sell now. I will wait for this to happen. Let me just show you. I will either wait for this. I'll either wait for this to happen, okay? I'll either see if this kind of a thing, when it breaks there, what's happened, what will happen here, what will happen here, okay? I'll wait for it to see what will happen. I think it will start rejecting there and shoot again to the downside, okay? So that's how I see Nasdaq, okay? That's how I see Nasdaq. My favorite, US 30. This is my favorite, guys. This is my favorite, okay? I'm always following this thing because I love it, okay? I love it. So for me, I'm seeing this breaks the downside, and I'm still seeing some double top there, breaks the downside as a mini double top there. So for me, still this one is going to the downside. I don't want to go in details, but I think it's going to the downside because I'm not giving signals here. I'm just telling you guys what I'm seeing on the market. Okay, I'm seeing a sell here. If you don't mind, we can do it like this. We can do it like that. And again like that. Okay, so what are we seeing here? We'll go to the daily to see exactly to check if we don't see anything. Okay, what are we seeing there? We see a double top there. What are we seeing after the breakdown? After the break to downside, we see another double top there. So that simple tell us that okay, this one is dropping also. Okay, it's also dropping and then shoot to the downside, and then what's happened? Form an M pattern. Okay, let me just go to 4 hours so that you can see exactly what I'm trying to say. What's happened there? What is this? A double top, okay? That's what I'm trying to say on a bigger time frame. So we see the double top again. What's happened? The market switches to the downside. Let me just go to 15 minutes and try to see if I can spot any entry there, okay? What I'm seeing there, it's simple, guys. I'm seeing something like this. This is what I'm seeing currently. I'm seeing that. So I'll rather wait. Remember, wait is very important on the market. I'll rather wait. Let me just zoom it for you. I'll rather wait to see what will happen when the market approach this place. If nothing happened, I will see what happened if the market approaches there. Okay, That's my view on this one. So I would rather sell when I see the reaction there, or I'll wait for it to approach there. If it doesn't react here, I'll wait to see what I will be happy to see what will happen here to take a sell to the downside. So for me, I would rather wait for my favorite to come to guys, wait for the market to come to you. Don't push, don't force to take a sell. Okay, if you try to take a sell now, let me show you something. If you try to take a sell now, because you think that here it will make something like a double top and goes to downside, I think you'll put your stop loss there. So what if the market come up and hit you up and come up here, and after here shoot to the downside, and maybe you find again, you think maybe, let me just show you something. You think here it will sell, you don't check anything. Market can do something like this, guys. Let me show you. And can correct like this for a bigger time. Ne? After that, shoot it downside. You see, so you have to wait to see the confirmation around the top there before you take a sell. So, or if you don't want to risk too much, you can wait to see the break to the downside, and then you will take a sell there. You will see how you can put your stop loss on top there after the break to the downside. That's what I see on USDH, guys. So let me not waste time there, and then I go back to I can check anything. Okay, AUD dollar, guys. Let me just quickly see if I can spot something for you. Simple stuff. I'm seeing a double bottom there, and it's forming a large double top there. Sorry, guys. Let me just this was my double top there. So for me, double top, and again, it was a double top here, down, come up to that very same area. For me, it will shoot to the downside. Okay, so we are having a sale this week. We're having a sale. Okay, so I mean, not saying this week, we're having a sale. It's not so long, or we'll be selling. So daily, again, I see this head and shoulders there. I see this head and shoulders. I don't know if you see it, guys. This head and shoulders there, that pushed the market to the downside, and again now the market made another double top there. So for me, let me just do this without putting a lot of stuffs in there. I hate putting a lot of stuffs in my charts. Okay, double top again there. Okay, double top to push the market to the downside. I think we have to take a trade not so long here. The market is giving us everything to take a sell. So this is what was happening. This is what was happening, guys. This is what was happening. Okay, nice stuff. Okay, and then again, I think it's something like inverse head and shoulders there. So because on a bigger time frame, we're seeing a sell. We don't want to trade against the bigger time frame. Trading against the bigger time frame, guys, for me is trying to catch the falling knife. It's very risky. You will get hurt. You'll hurt yourself. Okay, it can go to your favor like this, but for me, as a consistent trader, I don't want to trade against the bigger time frame. So what I can do now, I'll just wait for it, because anything can happen. It can form a double top there. It can form a double top there and shoot to the downside, or either here where it is. Let me just go to smaller time frame and see if I can spot something. Let me see if I can spot something here. See, this is what I was trying to say. This is what I was trying to say. then I should trade against the bigger time frame. So if anything like this happen, for me, if this one comes down and break here, I will take a sell. My stop loss will be there. Try to get this move to the downside. Okay, that's what I will see. But if you want to take a risk entry, you can tell yourself, okay, this one's a double top again. I'm taking this trade. Okay, so but for me, I would rather wait to see the break to the downside. Okay, to the downside, and then I will take a sell. Okay. So that's what I was seeing on Audi dollar. Okay, I don't know if there's nothing I'm left in here. Euro dollar, I don't know, but I feel like I'm done, guys. If you feel like you need more understanding, you can text me on my group, WhatsApp group. My my WhatsApp group link is there on the description there. Okay, again, what you call this? Euro dollar, shoot to the downside, correct, try to go up, and correct to the downside, shoot again to the downside, to the upside, just to form what? Just to form this a double top, potential double top there. What's happened there after seeing that double top there? And again, let me show you some tricky stuff. This is the very important level. So now I can't say it's a buy, I can't say it's a sell on a bigger time frame. It's either we wait to see the reaction around here. If it breaks the downside and correct on the smaller time frame, we are happy to take a sell. Okay, but if it bounce back and correct here, we'll be able to take a buy. But listen very careful. But a bigger time frame is a bigger time frame, guys. You have to take note of that. Okay, so remember, this market was going strongly to the downside. So for me, after this kind of expanding channel, it can show to the downside, and again confirm with this double top inside the expanding channel that says that okay, this one will go to the downside. But for now, I would rather wait to see if I'll be happy if I see something like break to the downside and correct after the breakout, to break to the downside, I mean to say, and I'll be able to take that sell. Okay, so that's what I was seeing on euro dollar. Okay, I wanted to show you guys you can trade anything. You can trade anything using this strategy, guys. So for now, I think I'm done. I don't know. Remember, I'm not live. If I were live, I will be happy to take the question. Maybe you want me to analyze anything, but you find like you don't have to talk to, it's fine. Text me on WhatsApp, text me on Telegram. You can go to anywhere. Instagram, check me on Instagram. I'm there. I'll put the link on my description so that they can take any link that suits you. Okay. So for now, I'll say I'm done, guys. I'm done for today. Have a good day, guys. If you have questions, you know what to do. You can ask, even if in a comment section there. I will be happy to take the question there and try to answer it there. Okay, if you don't, feel free to question me on the comment section. Go straight to the link and try to text me on my WhatsApp. It's fine. I will be happy, but don't text me on my personal WhatsApp. Go straight to the group and try to ask there. Hopefully you'll get help there. So for now, I'm done, guys. I'm done. We'll talk next month. I will post another video next month. Remember, I said I'm posting one video per month. So this video will be for this month. You will keep on watching it. If you don't understand, you will answer me. You will ask me a question. If you are happy about the way I approach the market, you'll get to go, guys. You'll be helping each other. I'm not saying that, guys, I know everything. You can come with your own style and modify with my style, I think it will be giving you a much confluence to take a trade, So again, I will help you on how to trade without emotions. Okay, that one I will do another video for that. But for the workshops videos, I will be doing it once for after every month. Each and every month I will post only one video. So guys, for now I'm done. Thank you guys. Thank you. God bless you.